In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an interactive dashboard that pulls project data from your intervals account. And to do this, I'm going to use the online free web app StyleBI. So to start off with, I signed into StyleBI. I'm going to click Connect to Data Source. I'm going to browse the list of available data sources and find intervals. Here it is. Select it, click Create. And next, I'll need to generate an API token. Log into your intervals account, then hover over the user profile icon on the top right. Click on My Account, then click on API Access, then click on Generate Token. This will generate your API token, highlight it, copy it, paste the newly generated API token into the labeled section. Scroll down, click OK. Next step is to create a query. Select Intervals Query. And for this dashboard, I'm going to use the project endpoint. There it is. Scroll down, click OK. Next, I'm going to save my data worksheet. Click OK. Next step is to click Create Dashboard. And I'm not going to use the visualization recommender today, so I'm going to click Finish, click Continue, and I'm going to save my blank dashboard. Click OK. Next, I'm going to edit my blank dashboard by clicking the pencil icon. So to start off on my dashboard, I think I would like a chart that breaks down the projects by client. So I'm going to drag out a chart. Going to make it a little bit smaller. Click Edit. Click through to Full Editor. Now to start off, I need a measure. So I'm going to use the project name. And that defaults as a dimension since it's a string. So I'm going to click Action and click Convert to Measure. Next, I'm going to drag my project name measure into the y-axis. Next, I'm going to use the client for my dimension. So I'm going to search client. Going to drag project client into the x-axis. And now I have a bar chart that breaks down my projects by client. But I think I'd like to add a secondary dimension to my color section. So I'm going to use billable. I'm going to drag project billable into my color section. And now I have a multi-dimensional chart that breaks down the projects by client and also by whether or not they're billable. But I think the default colors aren't quite cutting it here because I want my projects to be billable. It's not good when they're not. So I think I'm going to change the false for billable to a warning color like red. So to do this, I'm going to click on the color palette icon. And for my first color, I'm going to change it to red. Click the check mark to edit. Okay, click Finish. So now I have a chart that clearly communicates the billable status of projects for the different clients. But I would like to drill down into the individual project data. So I'm going to pull out a table for that. Going to resize it just a little bit. Click Edit. And I'm going to use the project client as a column. Going to use the project name as a column. And I'm going to use the product description as a column. Click Finish. So now I have the different projects aggregated in a bar chart, and I also have the individual detail level row data of the projects. But I would like to use my bar chart to drill down into my table. So I'm going to select the bar chart, right click, select Properties, scroll down, and under Flyover, I'm going to select my table, click OK. And now my chart functions as a filter for my table. So you can see if I preview the dashboards here, if I hover the mouse over different clients, the table updates to show just the projects for those particular clients. And if I want to explore that data further, let's say I want to focus on just Robert's billable projects, I can select that data point. And the table will continue to just show Robert's projects that are billable. And if I want to investigate further, I can download that data in an XLS file. And that's how you build an interactive dashboard that pulls project data from your intervals account.